Ouch! That hurt! I am okay! Wait, where am I?
This library is spooky. Look!
That red book is glowing!
It looks mysterious.
Should I touch it? Yes! I am brave. Here we go. Pull! It is. Stuck! Whoa! Oh! The room is shaking! Ah! Help! Earthquake! Wait! Look at the shelf! It is a door.
A secret path.
I need my flashlight. It is very dark here. What is that? What is that? Oh, it is just a spider. Go away, spider! I see stairs.
Step 1. Step 2.
Whoops! I am at the bottom. Wow! Look! Wow! Look! A treasure chest. It is huge. Where is the key? Under the mat? In this pot? Pop! Found it! Open the chest.
Is it gold?
Is it diamonds? Boo! My heart! It is just a toy? Not funny. Wait! The clown has a paper.
let me read it. It is a map. A map!
A treasure map?
Real treasure! I must find it!
To the adventure!
Goodbye, scary room!
I am out.
Now I need a boat. And a hat.
And a parrot. I am ready. Hey, are you ready too?